Hello again. So we've gone through a little bit of the syntax and installation and about WebDNA. I think it's time to get into the rest of the tutorial of Christoph's tea room and get into making this thing from scratch. So let's have a quick look at what we're shooting for again. So I'm going to bring up the page here in my favorite browser, SeaMonkey. SeaMonkey uses a lot of the same technology as Firefox and Thunderbird, but it's an all-in-one package and kind of extending from Netscape Navigator. So this is the browser I like, but you can use any browser, of course. So here's Christoph's tea room, the basic CSS template, and this is what we're shooting for. So I'm going to create another Navigator tab here and then hide. And the first thing we'll do is I'm going to upload these files from my desktop to the development server. We have the template images, and then we have the product images, and we have an existing tab delimited database that we can work off of, and then a CSS file, and then the sample template. So another good free utility that I use is our browser. You can download that from their website, and basic FTP functions are free, and then you can pay for additional features. So I'm just going to select our development machine. Okay. You notice here that I've already got a directory in there. It looks like I uploaded this once, but I'm going to delete this. So that we can start all over, just in case there were any templates that were changed. Alright, I'm inside the documents directory of the development web server, which is the default root directory of the web server. So I'm just going to drag this whole directory. Actually, I'm going to, instead of that, I'm going to create a new folder, new directory called CTR within the documents directory, and then we'll go and instead of grabbing the whole folder, we'll just grab everything and shove it into that new CTR directory. Alright, let's quit out of our browser. And now, when we bring up SeaMonkey again, we can go to that directory we just created. We might need to work a little bit with permissions. I'm not sure my FTP account sets the right permissions when files are uploaded, so we'll check that. Go to the root, and we were at ctr index.dna. Yep, okay, so that's all set up on the dev server. Okay, let's make sure that WebDNA is parsing .dna files. I'm just going to open up BBEdit here. BBEdit is also, it's my favorite text editor. It's gotten a little bit more expensive over the years, but it's still a nice application. I'm going to open from FTP server, and I'm just going to open that index.dna file straight from our development server here. So let's write in the title here where it says Christoph's Tea Room. I'm just going to enter in a simple WebDNA tag called date, and then we'll go over to CMonkey and do a refresh and see where it says literally date here. We know that WebDNA is not parsing this page. And why is that? Well, one of the things I forgot to do was, in order to let WebDNA know that this is a template that needs parsed, we need to add that statement as WebDNA tags, because this is how we have that set up in the WebDNA preferences. You can set it up to parse all templates, but this is the most standard way. So we'll go back to CMonkey. Okay, so WebDNA is processing the .dna suffix correctly. We see the current date in there. So let's go back. And we'll take that out. So now we can start working with this standard template that we've created. Okay, so what's the first thing we want to do? Let's take out this fill text. And let's take out a couple of these navigation fillers. I'm going to save that. Reload. Okay, so we got the basic format of the template that we're going to use. So let's have a look at the database. From this point, once you have the template, the look and feel down, then it's all about bringing your data to the template. So we can take a brief actually, let's hide CMonkey and hide BBEdit. Let's take a brief look at the spec again. Basically, open up with the text edit here. Basically, we're creating a normal store with search features and navigating products through categories, that sort of thing. But it's always good to double check what the spec is. Consistent navigation, categories, a product detail page, shopping cart, checkout pages, thank you page, the emails that go out, and a simple management system for the owner of the website. So